In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a poster in Canva in just 5 minutes. Canva is a fantastic, user-friendly tool for designing all sorts of graphics, and creating a poster is one of the simplest yet most impactful things you can do. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open up Canva in your web browser. If you haven't signed up yet, you'll need to create an account, but don't worry, it's quick and free. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on Canva's homepage. Here, you'll see a big button in the top left corner labeled Create a Design. Go ahead and click on that. Now, in the search bar that appears, type in Poster. Canva will pull up a list of options for you, showcasing different styles and sizes of posters. This search feature is a real time saver because it filters out unnecessary options and gets you straight to what you need. Once you see the options, take a moment to browse through them. There are so many styles to choose from, whether you're looking for something minimalist or vibrant, professional, or whimsical. When you find a style and size that suits your needs, click on it to open a blank canvas. This is where the magic happens. Canva will present you with a variety of templates on the left side of your screen. These templates are designed by professionals, so they look great and are easy to customize. Choose the template that resonates with your project or your brand's aesthetic. Remember, you can always modify it later, so don't worry about getting it perfect right away. Now comes the fun part, editing your template. You can change text, colors, images, and elements to fit your topic. Click on any text box to start typing your message. Canva's text editor is intuitive, allowing you to adjust fonts, sizes, and colors with just a few clicks. To replace images, simply drag and drop new photos from your uploads or use Canva's extensive library of stock images. Once you've finished crafting your masterpiece, it's time to share it with the world. In the top right corner, you'll find the Share button. Click on it and select Download to save your poster to your computer. You can choose the file type that best suits your needs, whether it's a PDF for printing or a JPEG for online sharing. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've created a stunning poster using Canva. Whether it's for a business event, a personal project, or just for fun, Canva makes the process easy and enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.